My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application called DevelopEfficient. DevelopEfficient is the adware type application that we discovered while researching deceptive websites. We have tested this application and found out that it displays pretty annoying advertisements not related to the sites that people visit. This is why the software of this type is called adware. Typically, people install software of this type pretty unintentionally. For instance, it may be spread through fake software or browser update alerts in the form of fake Flash Player or fake Adobe Flash Player update notifications. In most cases, clicking on advertisements generated by apps like DevelopEfficient leads to shady web pages, download pages for questionable apps, or even malicious websites. It is known that ads coming from advertising-supported applications can be designed to run certain scripts to download unwanted software. So if you have discovered this adware called DevelopEfficient to be the part of your Mac computer, you need to remove it immediately. So go to your Finder, go to Applications, find this program called DevelopEfficient, right-click on it, and choose the option to move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, don't hesitate to move it to the trash too. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get its fresh version is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect all such threats on your system and to remove them effectively with the premium license. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware, and then you need to click on this Start Combo Scan button to begin the thorough research and investigation of your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, of course, but even the trial version of Combo Cleaner has got some free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The scanning will take several minutes, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all threats which were found on your computer. Even these three free features, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates, will help you to actually considerably improve the performance of your Mac computer in general. At the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats. You'll be able to know their location on the system. We do recommend that you upgrade to Premium because this is the best way to keep your Mac computer always protected and free of any other threats.